In this video, we're going to go from this to this using this. So I don't know how well you can see it, but this keeps leaking water out. What happens is this valve right here does not shut off all the way. You can pull it up and make it shut off, which would make you think you could just simply adjust the ball there, but it's just kind of sticky, so it doesn't completely shut off without more force than what the water can normally give it. So I'm going to take all that out and replace it with this assembly. These typically work quite a bit better. So of course, first thing you want to do is shut off the water. So I'm going to go down here and shut the water off. Okay, water is shut off. Next, drain it. And you want to get as much water out as you can, because this thing right here you're going to take off, and then that's going to leave a big old hole right there. So this is not a necessary step, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the handle just to kind of get it out of the way. By the way, the handle's left threaded, so keep that in mind. Okay, I removed the flapper valve. Yeah, it's nasty. This one just lifts straight off, so that's super easy to do. And be sure to remove this right here. Like so. And then we'll pop that new one in. Okay, next I got to finish straightening that out. We'll get a towel or something to soak that up. Okay, this is going to be a pretty tight area, so probably won't be able to show you me actually unscrewing this. Or maybe I can. But anyway, you got to unscrew this hose. Again, make sure your water's shut off before you do this, otherwise you're going to have problems. And also you probably want to put a bucket or something underneath it to catch the water. Okay, so I disconnected the water line, and now gotta take this nut off right here. There we go. Okay, and this should just lift out. And you probably hear all the water rushing out. So a drip pan is good to have. And now will be a good time to clean this out, which is what I'm going to do. I'll do that off camera. You don't need to see all that. Okay, so next, put this piece in right here. And I have to use that washer on it. so. And of course this washer goes on the bottom side, which again you won't be able to see, unfortunately, because of how tight it is in here. Okay, so there it is with the washer on, and then next connect the pipe up. Make sure they're both good and tight so there's no leaks. Next will be the float level, and on your tank you should have a fill line right here. So basically we're going to adjust this float after we get water in it to that line. Oh, and of course don't forget the hose. Okay, so the hose connects to this nipple right here. Like so. And just drop it right into here. Just like that. And I'll go ahead and put the lever on. So, then connect the chain. Okay, so the chain adjustment, it's always fun. I seem to never get quite right. But anyway, the chain adjustment is so it allows the little flapper to seat totally when it's released, and then also you need it to pull up when it's pulled like that, and don't leave enough slack so it can get tangled up on itself. So once I'm satisfied with this, I'll do something with that with those extra links. Leave the pan underneath the water. Turn it on. See if we got leaks or not. Now let's watch it fill up and see where we go. So again, we want it to go to this water line right here. And fill to this line right here. In between here and here, and not over. If it runs over, then it'll pour out of here. Let's see where the float ends up at. Wow, that's pretty close. Alright, so there it is. One note, I didn't adjust it because it didn't need to be. But prior to putting it into the tank, you can adjust the height of the entire assembly. If you have a standard sized tank, it's probably fine like mine was. But you just twist it and move it up or down accordingly. If you have a smaller tank, you may need to push it down to kind of get the rough adjustment in. This one's just a hair below the fill line, so I'm good with that. That means that we'll save a little bit of water and have a little bit of extra room there. So looks like that's going to do it. And that's how you fix a leaking commode. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. No, I'm not going to do nothing.